Contrary to popular belief, Gwanwyn isn't derived from Gwan, weak, and Gwyn, white or light, even if the very notion of light in Welsh springtime is weak at best. Mewn Cymraeg canol, Gwanwyn oedd Gwayanhwyn, ac mewn hen Gymraeg, Gwanwyn. Maen nhw I gyd yn dod o'r frythoneg gwehantwyn. Cornish still keeps the old British t sound in their word for Gwanwyn. Gwenton. Y pobl yn credu bod y Celtiaid yn galw'r Gwanwyn yn wesantos, ble mae'r Wyddeleg yn cael erach. And we go further back to Proto-Indo-European. Wasser, Latin got where, summer. Polish got wiosna, spring. Lithuanian got vasara, summer. And Sanskrit got vasanta, or vasanta, I believe, spring. Even though different cultures have struggled to distinguish between spring and summer, mae'n hawdd yng Nghymru, mae'r Gwanwyn yn oer, a mae'r haf yn oer.